In this video, we've highlighted the top 3 mini PCs with screens on AliExpress that stand out for their exceptional quality and performance. This list has been carefully selected based on popularity, affordability, durability, and user feedback, among other important factors. For more detailed information on each product, make sure to check the description section below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Now, let's get started. Number 3. Higley F9B Pro 7. The Higley F9B Pro 7-inch N100 Mini PC is a powerhouse in a compact form. Running Windows 11, it brings the full desktop experience with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage, ensuring smooth performance for multitasking, browsing, and productivity tasks. The 7-inch touchscreen is perfect for those who prefer a more interactive experience, while the Wi-Fi 5 connection keeps you connected with reliable, fast speeds. With dual 2.5G LAN ports, the F9B Pro excels in network-intensive tasks like streaming and file sharing. The 5000 mAh battery provides long-lasting use, making it a great choice for portable workstations or media setups. Users love its versatility as it can function as a NAS, network-attached storage, and be used for gaming, web browsing, and office work without a hitch. Customer reviews consistently praise its compact design, speed, and overall value, making it a top pick for anyone needing a small but powerful PC solution. Whether for home, office, or travel, the Higley F9B Pro is a game changer. Number 2. Higley Gold 2 Pro 5.5 inches. The Higley Gold 2 Pro 5.5 inches mini PC is a game changer in compact computing. Powered by the Intel N5095 processor, this mini PC offers fast and efficient performance, making it ideal for work, entertainment, and light gaming. With Windows 11 pre-installed, you get access to the latest features and software for a smooth user experience. Choose from 8 GB or 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, ensuring excellent multitasking capabilities and ample space for all your files. The 5.5-inch touchscreen offers responsive interaction, and with 4K output, you can enjoy crisp, clear visuals on larger displays. Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0 provide seamless internet and device connectivity, while the 2500 mAh battery ensures portability for on-the-go usage. Its compact design makes it a great space saver for small desks or as a portable desktop solution. With stellar reviews for its performance, portability, and value for money, the Higley Gold 2 Pro is perfect for anyone seeking a reliable, high-performance mini PC. Whether you're working from home, watching movies, or gaming casually, this device is your go-to solution for all-in-one computing. Get yours now and experience cutting-edge technology in a pocket-sized design. Number 1. Higley Gold 1 Pro 5.5 inches. Introducing the Higley Gold 1 Pro 5.5 inches fanless Intel J4125 mini PC, the perfect blend of power and portability. Powered by the Intel J4125 processor, this mini PC offers impressive performance for everyday tasks and light multitasking. It comes with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, ensuring smooth operation for browsing, document editing, and media streaming. The 5.5-inch touchscreen offers a tablet-like experience, making it ideal for compact spaces or on-the-go use. With Windows 11 pre-installed, you get the latest features and security updates. The 2500 mAh battery ensures extended usage, while Wi-Fi 5 keeps you connected at fast speeds. Whether you use it as a mini PC or a portable touchscreen tablet, this versatile device supports 4K output, making it a fantastic choice for both entertainment and productivity. Upgrade to the Higley Gold 1 Pro, a compact, efficient, and powerful device for work or play. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.